When COVID first appeared, people thought it was yet another virus and ignored it. And when the lockdown was announced, we thought it would last only for 10 or 15 days. But it ended up locking us for more than 3.5 years. Yes, COVID is officially ended, but it costed us millions of lives. Families were shattered, economies shrank into recession, and the fate of human history was sealed. Researchers say that the early warning systems were ignored. Predictions were made, but it never reached the right people at the right time, because of which we couldn't take enough measures. Today, nothing has changed. Every single day, we have new virus and symptoms being detected, which can lead us to another major outbreak. No fear, because we have a good news. We are launching Prevora, the world's first AI-powered early prevention system, and that too completely made with no code and using Bolt software. Thanks to Bolt for giving us this opportunity, and we are officially part of the world's largest AI hackathon.
At first said that we're going to build an early disease prediction software just using Bolt AI. I thought it was impossible, but we started anyway. We started with connecting database from Bolt AI to Superbase. Um, we wrote small prompt chains so AI could run clustering algorithms. We designed every screen in Figma, and we sent those designs as prompts. We tested and we failed multiple times, but each time we came up with a better approach.
Honestly, when these two guys reached out to me, when they told me that they had built a system entirely from AI, and I had so many questions myself, like how will they get the data? Won't real-time updates break? Who will validate these predictions? But they did find a solution for it. They did solve these issues. They built partnerships. They designed smart data pipelines, and they finally showed me a complete working MVP. And it was all powered by AI. It was really fascinating and truly mind-blowing. And it's an incredible work what they did. And all the best, guys. Thank you.
Yeah, to use the dashboard, first we have to log in. So in login, we have two options. Either we can log in as an admin or as a user. The reason why we have an admin access is because only admins have the right to, they only have the rights to import data into it. For example, like the signals, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. So when we log in, we'll be getting the OTP, and with that OTP, we'll be able to directly go to the admin panel. So this is the dashboard, and yeah, here we have the admin panel. So here in the admin panel, we can directly see the dashboard, and we can also add the signals. So this is the place where we can add the signals. So for example, I'm adding fever low, and the severity level, then the location. For example, we can choose any location or any city, any country, whatever we want. For example, I'm adding South Korea to it, South Korea, and then if you need, you can also add the latitude and longitude for exact locations, and then any additional notes if you want, like a flu or virus, whatever. And then when you add it, the signal gets added. For example, we can see it in the signal list. Yes, the signal has been added. So that's how you have to do it. You can also add alerts to it. So this is the way admin can add data to it. And we have connected it directly to the Supabase. So here you can see that we have created tables, and this is the signal table where all the data come and they get stored here. So from here we can access the data. So these are the tables, and we have an algorithm which detects an event. An event is nothing but a collection of signals. So when there are more than 5 signals, it converts into an event. So we have a specialized algorithm made in Bolt. Using Bolt, we gave prompt and created the algorithm, and we have a separate code for it. So that's how we create events. So we can go to the dashboard. So in dashboard, we can see we have the overview where we have the active signal, the active events, the severity, the recent activity, all that is there. And then we have the events. The events is because in Mumbai and Chennai we have more than 5 signals. So here we have more than 25 signals, and here we have 5 signals. So we tried testing it. So that's why we're given so many number of signals. So here we have event details. So here we can see all the details are here. These are the updates. Whenever we have updated it, it shows the details, and then the score, the confidence level. Then we have some graphical representations. All this created using AI. We have an open. We have connected the open AI. So here we can see the recommendation. All this is given by AI. You could have seen it was generated by AI. So this is the detailed event detail, and then we also have a report which is AI report. So when you press that button, you can get the AI to make your report. We have the events and then the clusters. So this is the map. We have a live map view. We have used Leaflet to show the map. And then we have the analytics where we have all the analytics here, and then the live monitor where it gets updated. For example, now we added South Korea, so it shows in the live signal that currently what signal we have added. Then the map view, again the full map is there, and in overview we have another function. So yeah, the report has been generated. This is the AI report where we have all the details. So this is generated through with AI, and then in the search bar we can search any location. For example, I'm searching Chennai. So when I search Chennai, I can see all the signals that I've added with Chennai. For example, if I want, I can see South Korea. So yeah, I'm searching for South Korea. In South Korea, you can see all the 3 signals. You can go in detail and find it. For example, if you want, yeah, so we can see here in the map, we can see South Korea has been added. So this is how we can add signals and also check it in the dashboard. And then we have the alerts panel. In alerts, we can go and we can see in detail. We have a report generated by AI, and then we have the actions, the precautions, all this.